The Genesis GV60 is a new electric vehicle that's going to be released in 2023. And there's no question that this vehicle is packing some incredible technology along with an almost unbelievable horsepower. In this video, we're going to explore the Genesis GV60, how this vehicle was created, the brand behind the electric vehicle, and the relationship this EV has to the Ioniq 5. We'll be exploring the 2022 release and the incredible technology that the 2023 release of this vehicle is packing, as well as the new additions we're just learning about. Stick around till the end of this video to hear some rumors about the new features that will be included in the new 2023 release. Now let's delve right into the meat of this video and the Genesis GV60. First off, let's go ahead and explore how the Genesis GV60 is built and the unique makeup of this vehicle. The Genesis GV60 is actually built on the same platform as the Hyundai Ioniq 5. Something that makes this vehicle incredibly interesting when it comes to the technology that using this platform will enable. The GV60 is built on the Electric Global Modular Platform, or EGMP for short. This is a platform that was specifically designed in order to create electric vehicles. In fact, the EGMP is the first entirely electric dedicated platform by Hyundai. Now, the EGMP platform is actually going to be used for a variety of different vehicles, not just the GV60. In fact, the Ioniq 5 is the first vehicle to utilize this platform, and it's actually going to be used for a variety of different Hyundai and Kia vehicles in the future. The EGMP platform is actually incredibly flexible, and it's able to be used for a variety of different body types. In fact, the EGMP platform is actually able to support both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive setups. For this reason, it's incredibly exciting to see the EGMP being put to use in the luxury brand Genesis. This platform is going to enable the GV60 to be an incredibly capable vehicle due to the implementation of this platform and will be able to outperform many other electric vehicles. With this being said, one impressive aspect of the Genesis GV60 will be the more premium price when compared to the Ioniq 5. The Ioniq 5 has a starting price of $40,000, while the GV60 will have a starting price of $58,890. With that being said, this price jump isn't surprising as the GV60 is a much more premium vehicle when compared to the Ioniq 5. This is due to a variety of different features, but we'll explore that a bit later on in the video. Now that we've explored how the Genesis GV60 is built, let's go ahead and explore the brand behind the GV60, Genesis. Genesis is a luxury brand that was created in 2015 and is a brand that's owned by Hyundai. Hyundai actually created this brand in order to compete with other luxury brands such as Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. And compete it does. The Genesis GV60 doesn't skimp when it comes to the features, that's for sure. One of the most impressive aspects of this electric vehicle is the range. In fact, the GV60 has a range of up to 321 miles. This range is made possible due to the large 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery that's included in the vehicle. This battery enables the GV60 to have one of the longest ranges of any electric vehicle on the market. Another impressive aspect of the GV60 is the charging speed, as this electric vehicle is able to charge at up to 240 kilowatts. This enables the GV60 to charge from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. Of course, the charging speed is only possible if you can find a 240 kilowatt charger, which can be difficult to find. However, the GV60 is also able to charge at up to 11 kilowatts, which is a more standard charging speed. Beyond this, the Genesis GV60 has some incredibly advanced driving features, such as the forward collision avoidance assist and the blind spot collision avoidance assist. These features are designed to help prevent collisions, accidental lane departures, and pretty much any other potentially dangerous situations when it comes to your daily drive. These features are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the safety features included in the GV60. In fact, the GV60 has a suite of standard active safety features that are designed to help you keep safe on the road. Now, let's go ahead and cover some of the changes with the new 2023 release. One of the biggest changes with the new 2023 release is actually going to be the redesign of the vehicle. This is going to change the look of the vehicle significantly, and it's going to make the GV60 look more like a traditional luxury SUV. Of course, this isn't a bad thing, as the GV60 already has a very stylish look. However, the new design is going to make the GV60 look more upscale and luxurious. One of the most significant changes with the redesign is actually going to be with the front end of the vehicle. The grille is going to be redesigned, and it's actually going to be inspired by the grille of the Genesis G90. The headlights are also going to be changed, and they're actually going to be slimmer than the headlights of the previous model. The exterior changes aren't what really make this car luxury though. Instead, check out the changes made on the inside. If we're talking about the Genesis GV60, there are some really incredible aspects to the interior design. The Genesis GV60 comes with a pair of impressive 12.3-inch screens. Both of these displays do an excellent job of providing the driver with all of the information they need. The left display is the digital gauge cluster, and it does an excellent job of displaying pertinent information related to the car and its various safety systems. The right display is just as impressive as it provides access to a variety of different features, such as the map, vehicle info, and even the radio. Both displays are incredibly responsive and easy to use, which is something that can't be said for all in-car displays. Okay, beyond the interior design, there's something incredible this vehicle offers that we absolutely need to cover. This, of course, is the incredible off-the-charts horsepower. That's not a joke either. The average horsepower for even a heavy-duty truck is usually only about 400. The Genesis GV60, this vehicle offers 429 horsepower. Of course, this incredible powertrain is going to enable the GV60 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour incredibly fast. And there's no question that this adds much to the luxury aspect of this electric car. This is something that not many electric vehicles will offer, though the Tesla Model S does admittedly offer barely over 1,000 peak horsepower. You have to keep in mind that the GV60 is an SUV. As we stated before, the GV60 is going to be released in 2023, and there's no question that this vehicle is packing some incredible technology. This is a next-generation vehicle that deserves next-generation technology, and the GV60 delivers on every count. The GV60 even features vehicle-to-load charging, which can use your vehicle's battery to power smaller items in your home during a blackout or even your favorite electronics on a glamping trip. This, along with other features like the ability to use Face Connect to gain entry to your vehicle and a fingerprint sensor to start the car, are just some of the many features that make this vehicle stand out from the competition. As we stated before, there are some rumors floating around about the new features that will be included in the new 2023 release. One of these rumors is that the GV60 is actually going to have an even longer range than what's been advertised so far. In fact, there's a rumor going around that the GV60 is going to have well over the stated range of 321 miles. Of course, this rumor has yet to be confirmed, but it's certainly an exciting possibility. If this rumor turns out to be true, then the GV60 is going to have one of the longest ranges of any electric vehicle on the market. Keep in mind that on the list of the longest range EVs currently available, the maximum range seen is barely over 500, with the average range on the list being around 300. So a range of 321 miles is already pretty incredible. But if the rumors are true and the GV60 does have a range of even longer, then this electric SUV is going to be in a class all its own. We'll just have to wait and see if this rumor turns out to be true. So let's recap. The Genesis GV60 is an electric SUV that's going to be released in 2023. This vehicle is packing some incredible technology, including a range up to 320 miles and the ability to charge at up to 240 kilowatts. The GV60 is also going to feature a redesign, and there are rumors floating around that this vehicle is actually going to have an even longer range than what's been advertised so far. We'll just have to wait and see if these rumors turn out to be true. But one thing's for sure, the Genesis GV60 is an electric SUV that's definitely worth keeping an eye on.